Did you know that not all Japanese cars are as reliable as people think? It's true. Right now, many families are shocked when their Nissan stops working on the highway, or when their Subaru needs $9,000 in repairs, or when they discover their Honda's engine is getting damaged every time they drive to school. Some of these cars broke down with less than 20,000 miles. That's like a brand new car. One Subaru model got a score of just 18 out of 100 for reliability. That's like getting an FAI on a test. But some Japanese cars can run for 300,000 miles with just basic care. Stay till the end to discover the 3 worst and 3 best Japanese cars you can buy today. Let's start with worst number 3, the Nissan Rogue, with a transmission that fails on the highway. The Nissan Rogue is super popular, one of America's best-selling SUVs. Millions of people buy it, thinking they made a safe, reliable choice because it's Japanese. But the Rogues made between 2014 and 2021 have a serious problem with their CVT transmission. It starts with small warning signs. The car shakes a bit when you speed up. Then it hesitates when you press the gas. Then comes the scary part. You're driving on the highway, and suddenly your car won't go faster than 25 miles per hour. Nissan calls this limp mode, but drivers call it terrifying. Fixing this costs between $3,000 and $9,600. Some transmissions fail as early as 20,000 miles. The worst part? When you replace it, the new transmission has the same design problems as the old one, so it often breaks again. And this isn't just an old problem. Even brand new 2025 Nissans still have this same risky transmission. The problems with Nissan's transmissions were so bad that thousands of angry owners took the company to court. This wasn't just a few people complaining. It was so serious that courts in different states had to combine all the lawsuits together. Nissan finally settled the case and agreed to pay for repairs and add 2 extra years of warranty coverage. But this only helped some owners. Many others were left out. Here's the scary part. This isn't just an old problem. Even brand new 2025 Nissans being sold right now still use basically the same risky transmission. The problem affects current Rogues, Altimas, and Sentras. If you already own one of these Nissans, you should check if your car qualifies for free repairs under the settlement. Many owners don't know they might be able to get money back. Another troubling fact, the company that makes these bad transmissions, Jatco, is actually owned by Nissan. This means Nissan can't blame someone else. They are responsible for the whole problem. Next, we'll look at an even more shocking case. A family SUV from one of America's most trusted Japanese brands with a transmission so unreliable that some owners needed 3 replacements on the same car. Now for worst number 2, the Subaru Ascent, a family SUV with a transmission that keeps failing again and again. When Subaru released the Ascent in 2019, families were so excited. Finally, a 3-row Subaru for bigger families. People trusted Subaru completely. They're known for safe, reliable cars that last forever. But then something terrible happened. The transmissions started failing, sometimes just 12 days after people bought their brand new cars. One owner had their transmission break 3 separate times on the same vehicle. Consumer Reports gave the 2022 Ascent a score of just 18 out of 100 for reliability. That's like getting an F on a test. Fixing this cost between $8,000 and $10,000. Even worse, parts were so hard to get that some owners waited 40 days for repairs. That's over a month without their family car. And it wasn't just the transmission. The Ascent also had problems with cracking windshields and batteries that drained overnight. Subaru tried to fix the Ascent problems by recalling about 200,000 cars from 2019 and 2020. They updated the computer software that controls the transmission. But here's the problem. People who bought 2021 by 2022, 2023, and even 2024 Ascents are still reporting the same transmission failures. One person's brand new 2024 model broke after just 12 days. If you already own an Ascent, you should check if your car is covered by the recall or lawsuit settlement. Many owners qualify for free repairs or money back. Besides the transmission problems, Ascent owners face 2 more big issues. Number 1, the shock absorbers, called struts, often fail around 80,000 miles, costing about $1,700 to fix. Number 2, windshields that crack for no reason, so many cracked that owners filed another lawsuit. If you're thinking about buying a used Ascent, be very careful. Even the newer models that were supposed to be fixed are still having serious problems. And now, for worst number 1, the Honda CR-V with the 1.5-liter turbo engine that gets damaged when you drive it carefully. This is the most shocking one of all because Honda is the brand Americans trust the most for reliability. The CR-V is one of the best-selling cars in America. But the 1.5-liter turbo engine, called Earth Dreams, has a serious problem that hurts the very families who trust it most. The problem is called oil dilution. During short trips and cold weather starts, like taking kids to school or running errands, unburned gasoline leaks past the engine's rings and mixes with the oil. This makes the oil thinner and unable to protect the engine. You can't see or feel this happening. The first sign most owners notice is when they check the dipstick and find the oil level is too high and smells like gasoline. Honda admitted this problem in 2018. They sent letters to dealers saying the engine may experience engine oil dilution that can cause misfires. There's good news if you still want a Honda CR-V. Not all CR-Vs have this problem. The oil dilution issue only affects CR-Vs with the 1.5-liter turbo engine. If you buy a CR-V with the base 2.0-liter engine or the hybrid version, you won't have this problem. These engines are still reliable in the way people expect from Honda. This is super important for used car shoppers. Before buying any used CR-V from 2019 to 2023, check which engine it has. The base model with the 2.0-liter engine might actually be a much better buy than the fancier, more expensive models with the troubled 1.5-liter engine. The lawsuit against Honda is huge, 100 pages long, and covers not just the CR-V but also Civics and Accords with the same engine. It claims Honda knew about this problem before they even started selling these cars. All three of the worst Japanese cars on our list show the same pattern. They come from trusted brands, Nissan, Subaru, and Honda, but have specific models with serious problems. The badge alone doesn't guarantee reliability. Now let's look at best number 3. The Mazda CX-5, an amazing SUV that almost nobody talks about. When most people shop for a Japanese SUV, they immediately think Toyota RAV4 or Honda CR-V. But there's another Japanese SUV that's actually more reliable than both of them, the Mazda CX-5. Consumer Reports says the 2025 CX-5 is much more reliable than other cars from the same model year. Another research group, RepairPal, ranked it number 1 out of 26 mid-size SUVs for reliability. Why is it so reliable? Because Mazda kept things simple. While other companies used complicated transmissions and turbo engines that break, Mazda used a normal 2.5-liter engine and a regular 6-speed automatic transmission. The average owner spends just $447 per year on maintenance, much less than the $573 average for similar SUVs. And the chance of a major repair in any year is only 8%, compared to 13% for other SUVs. The Mazda CX-5 isn't just reliable, it saves you real money over time. The average CX-5 owner spends just $447 per year on maintenance, while owners of other similar SUVs spend $573. That's $126 less every single year. Over 10 years, that adds up to about $7,700 in total maintenance costs, much lower than most competitors. And remember, the chance of a big, expensive repair is only 8% per year compared to 13% for other SUVs in its class. RepairPal ranked the CX-5 as the number 1 most reliable out of 26 midsize SUVs. It earned a score of 4.5 out of 5, the highest tier possible. When you buy a car, the price on the window isn't the whole story. The real cost includes all the repairs and maintenance over many years. The best number 2, the Lexus GX460, the luxury SUV that just keeps running forever. The Lexus GX460, 2010 to 2023, belongs on our list for a simple reason. It's built so well that it almost never breaks down. This SUV is based on the Toyota Land Cruiser, a vehicle designed to work in the toughest places on Earth where breaking down could be life-threatening. Under the hood is a simple 4.6-liter V8 engine with no turbo, no fancy transmission, no hybrid system, just proven parts that last. Owners regularly drive these past 300,000 miles with just basic maintenance. It costs about $770 per year to maintain, more than the Mazda CX-5, but much less than a BMW $968, or Mercedes, $981. That makes it the cheapest true luxury SUV to own. If you want to buy a used GX460, here's what you should know. Look for models from 2015 to 2023. These are the sweet spot. They're new enough to have good features, but old enough to cost much less than a new one. Always check the maintenance history. A GX with complete service records is worth much more than one without them. This SUV can run for hundreds of thousands of miles, but only if it's been taken care of. Money-saving tip. You can save on maintenance by going to Toyota dealers instead of Lexus dealers. Since the GX is based on the Toyota Land Cruiser, many parts are the same but cost less at Toyota service centers. Important warning, the brand new 2024 GX550 has a different engine, a turbo, that might be great, but it's too new to know for sure. If reliability is your top priority, stick with the proven 2015 to 2023 models. And now for the #1 best Japanese car, the Toyota Corolla Hybrid. This car proves what Japanese engineering can be at its absolute best. It's not flashy or exciting, but the numbers are amazing. Consumer Reports gave it a reliability score of 93 out of 100, one of the highest ratings they give to any car. It costs only about $4,087 total to maintain over 10 years. That's $3,000 less than the average compact car. You can buy one brand new for around $22,000, and Toyota includes free maintenance for the first 2 years. What makes it so reliable? The hybrid system uses regenerative braking, so the brake pads can last over 100,000 miles. The hybrid battery is guaranteed for 10 years or 150,000 miles. And because Toyota has sold over 50 million Corollas worldwide, parts are available everywhere at low prices. The most important lesson from our list? Japanese reliability isn't about the badge. It's about specific models, specific engines, and specific transmissions. Research before you buy. The difference between a nightmare car and a reliable one isn't the badge. It's research. Before signing any loan, search the specific model plus problems, class action, and reliability score. Which car surprised you most? If you own one on our list, share your experience below. Your research today saves thousands tomorrow.